Police Constable Lobada Watokaya Laikraba, Congress Kumba Political Party Amana, IRB Lobagi Matanga, Corruption Tinanaba, BJP the Takan India Haina, Chief Minister Envirena Fongdokre. Amasuk Airport Authority of India, Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences, New Delhi, Amad Regional Institute of Medical Sciences in Palnapunu Kusam Naduna, Jayola Matuka Tatagada Hepatitis A week among a Sidagi Hokre. Mayam Bukrum Jari Dom Naying Biri Impact News ni ay Pinky Okram na Hause Pungjasi Faubagi, Maru Ebapau Singh, Miam the Pizari. Indian Reserve Battalion, IRB Lobagi Matangda, Corruption Thingnanaba, Congress Kumba Party Amana, BJP the Takhaning de Haina, Chief Minister Envirena Fongdokre. Wafam Singa si Kanchipur the Leba, BJP Manipur Pradesh ki office the Pangtokiba Oina Municipal Council ki Chairperson Amadi, Vice Chairperson Yauna Punna Councillor Taruk Amadi, Autonomous District Council Chandel ki ADC member Ama, BJP the Yarok Pada Taram no Okpagi Thoram da Chief Minister na Fongdokibani, Thoramadu the Chief Minister na Makhata na Fongdokibada, Handak Lauga Doriba, IRB ki recruitment asinium chumna, corruption yauda na Taugani, Karigumba corruption Taurambagi Kudam Changdam Pangbangam Labadi. Action Laukhatkani. Hairiba IRB recruitment asida physical amadi written da karigumba hiram amatada corruption gi mami tahanba yaroi hainasu Chief Minister na recruitment gi chairman da khangan khre hairi. Handaki IRB laugadoriba sida natana mamang da pangthokiba thabaki recruitment tasu transparency oina tauduna lakli haiki. Maramasina Tabak Lobagi Matang Asida, Mamangda Police Constable Lobada dispute Kaya Laiduna Lakraba, Congress Kumba Political Party Amana, BJP the Takhaning de Haina Chief Minister na Fongdokibani.
Adagi school Pagalan Zigi school Humpu, Pol swing the Sankot Lagozi, February Ahand Sayol, Sideda school Untrani Pukui inaugurate Dore, with kind of furniture. Maram Sava the Pashale. BJP the recruitment the new Sumna, Tawana Congress Company Tak, Mother Itahan, Madam the Moidi Hogi, but just Soidan and the Lakrabani, Soidan and the Lakrabani, so many things. I quit my terms that was a dispute on the Latana, result of Maria Hydocrabani, MR Hydocrabani, ZLG Hydocrabani, even Moigi dispute later, 2013-16 with the Hydocrabani, who's it IRB. We are always transparent. I'm new Sumna Quitogani, I quit corruption Lehendan Togani. Atop party ki khara khoi ki BJP soi da re na pakhat pi no ngi nungai do khoi do mumat roi karsu pakhat pi no khoi
Nakalamaromda Infaziribam Rota Semkat Liba Thong Singi Karifibam da Lairabaki Haina Paumi Sing Hangba Wahangi Paukom Piraduna Chief Minister Nahai Makru Amasung Irangi Thong Asi Ayamba Haiba Loisilakle Haiba Thong Ani Asi Akapi Oina Assemble Taugadabani Masi Siligurida Assemble Taubani Hairi Hairiba Thong Asi Nongju Thamamangda Pankatna Nabuhonari Loinana Railway Line Su Tupuldagi Infal Tarakna Naba Kwaidiki Sangba Tunnel Chada Yang Saba Loire, English Singaniga Supna Kunganito Faubada, Infal Yoroknaba, Target Thamli, Aduba Underground Singna, Tabak Suba Singda, Kidnap Toba Amadi, Selgi Demand Kaya Tobagi Problem Labana, Tabak Suba the Karatin Tabani. Masi Toktanaba, Security ki akan bachexing Taurangsu, Paikatli, Loinana Mantri Pukrida Sagatliba, New Secretariat Amadi Tombisana High School gi Ima Kaitelgi, Tabak Pairamba, Simplex Company Asi, Tabak Subada, Yamna Tappa Maramna Kakthat Kibadagi Anoba tender Tauraga election Mamangda Tabak Suba Loisinana Bohonaragani Haina Fongdoraki.
Sigi assemble si Kruga Iranga, Sigi Tong si Haiba de Yambalo, Makagi. Mosigi assemble si Akapiduni. I don't know who's Masigi Tong Josi, Siliguri, Masi assemble Toba. Adumalani, Masi, Akoina Yaragadi, Me, Swaibogi Mamang Swaida, Pakana Toxina, Kana, Ingarangsu, NISD Selgi Anuba, Hanagi Sunil Ledus in Graga Ajit and Amala Ajit Shingana. Ma Kauraga, what is Hanazabani? Irangido, 43 crore, Adugi tender Loik, Adumaga. Irang Tong Simaga Loiragadiba, Adam 24 hours. Service to Yaba, Adamoine. Ojiki are the assembled Tauri Base, Yam Tuna, Pankatna Bahina Bahidare, a Haibadi Amaloshale only assembled Tauriba, assembles the Porna Basiam Tuna Tamuna by Koyamkana, Honori, Maduhadi Katan Kamin Batai. Crew
Airport Authority of India, Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences, New Delhi, amadi Regional Institute of Medical Science, Imphal na punu khusamnaduna chayol ama chupna chathagadaba Hepatitis Awareness Week among asidagi haukre. Tourism state ama oina haugalakliba Manipur da anaba miyoi sing state asida changlakpada akanba checksing thorang lakot patangai fadri hiram asida Imphal da lairiba Airport Authority amadi Airport Authority of India na akhanaba thorang paikhat haningi haina ina Manipur gi Lok Sabha gi MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan na phongdokre. Regional Institute of Medical Sciences Imphal gi Jubilee Hall da pangthokiba thoramaduga mari leinana Dr. R.K. Ranjan na hai Manipur haiba state asi international border area da leibaga loinana chingi lam oibana ana layeng lam da cheksin thorang lokhatpada khudong chadaba kaya ama mayoknari fibam asida Transport Authority ga mari lainaba singna mapandagi changlakpa miyoi sing ningthina health checkup tauba mathau tari hiram asida Airport Authority na su chap chaba mateng pangbiu haina mahakna appeal tauki thoromaduda sarukya akiba Manipur gi outer Lok Sabha gi MP Dr. Lorho S. Forjena medical profession da lairiba miyoi singna pukchel sengna kathokpa amadi loinana anaba singi mateng pangba changi Minungsi Thauzal Yaudana Dr. Amana Anaba Layeng Labadi Afabo Oide Haina Mahakna Fongdoki Ngasigi Thoramaduda Principal Secretary Health and Family Welfare V. Vumlong Mang, Jenims ki Director Professor T. S. Bhimo, RIMS ki Director Professor A. Santa, Health and Family Welfare ki Director Dr. K. Razo, RIMS ki Medical Superintendent Professor C. S. Arun Kumar, Airport Authority of India ki Regional Executive Director Sanjeev Jindal, Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences, New Delhi ki Dr. Neeraj Raizada Yauna Miyoi Kayana Sarukyaki.
I will also take the responsibility to pressure the government of Manipur and particularly requesting the medical directorate and particularly the medical minister to equip at least the minimum and also to equip all these vaccines provided by the airport authorities so that the awareness should be effective and we should get the goal of the United Nations by 2030 by national attempt 25. India, under its CRS scheme, they already provided the trauma center at the Jenims. Further, I would also like to request the authority to provide 3 more trauma centers, Imphal Dimapur along the national highway and Imphal More and Imphal Jiri. If possible, please think over it and also try to provide from your CRS schemes.
Your attitude, is it to serve? Is it to eradicate the problems that we have in our communities? Is it something that you want to contribute that we have a better future? The actual impact will come if you have a right attitude. And therefore, as medical people, if we do not reach out with the touch of love, with the touch of compassion, I think it is impossible for us to be a cause of impact in the lives of those who come to you in need.
Roadside Vendors Welfare Association Khwairamban Kaithel Lingkhat Khibagi Kungani Toi Suba Mapokumun ki Thoram Ngasi Khwairamban Kaithel gi Temporary Market ta Pangthokre Association asina sinduna pangthokiba thoram aduda National Hawker Federation ki General Secretary Saktiman Ghosh Manipur Kaithel Fambi Apunba Lup ki President El Mema Roadside Vendors Welfare Association Khwairamban Kaithel ki President Khetri Tamana Chingba Maru Oiba Mihoi Kayana Sarukyaki Thoramaduga Mari Lainana Roadside Vendors Welfare Association ki President Khetri Tamana Matam Kayagi Mamangdagi Hauna Street Vendors Singna Tongan ba Awaba Kaya Khangduna Imung Puduna Lakli Matam gi Pali Balangak Singnasu Street Vendors Singi Wathok Asi Loisinba Tungkoiba Policy Amata Paikhatana Lakli Adubu Miam gi Langak ni Haiduna Hauzik Pali Balangak Asina Street Vendors Sing Wathok Asi Amukta Loisin Biduna Makoi Butang Tu Laitana Pot Onba Yana Bat Taurang Tobiu Haiki Ngasiki Foundation Degi Tauramadu Saruk Ama Oina Chahi Yam Libi Pot Yon Bising Amadi Handakta Citizenship Amendment Act ki Mayokta Kongjang Changsin Bada Police na Paduna Lokapta Lairubi Kaithel Fambi Singna Achamba Khudol Piduna Ikai Kumna Bot Ki
Street vendors sing asi tangai fadana makoi gi hingna bagi da makai koi gi livelihood ki da makta thoglak pani baramaduna makoi bu yamna harassment tawbidana matam puna makta makoi si kamain tawraga kamdongna makoi bu yamna nena taba yamna peaceful oiba mongda makoi bu pot yon ba phangan ge dagi haiba si sarkar na su haningi adu gai koi street vendors sing asi na su koi sorok ta yam sai thokpa tawdana sorok ta yam motion ba tawdana koi gi leiriba sarkar gi sigumba mi am kungraba lambi sorok sing asi da koi si tangai fadana sarkar gi rule and regulation tangai fadana sarkar na piriba restriction masi ekoi me amsu punna ngakminna dana ekoi karom da kamai tawrga ekoi sarkar ga ekoi yamna coordination ama kak leina rakanda ekoi shanti oina pot yon base masi ekoi pami
Matang swai break amalauze break ki matung da Republic Day celebration ki mangoina na laukat pa checksing thorang ki saruk am oina tongan ba mafam sing da thibu humba ki thabak chathaki ba ki pau amadi Manipur amasung malem ki tongan ba i pau sing puduna lakchage impact news pumi eng ta duna leibiu mayam ba mukahna taram no okchari bulletin asigi makhata ba pau miyam da pizari Imphal East Police Team na Republic Day celebration ka mari laina na ngasi Kongba Bazar da thibu humba gi thabak chathakre ngasi ayuk pung 9 dagi na 9 ka minute yangkhaini toi fauba chathaki ba thibu humba gi thabak adu Imphal East ki additional SP operation TH Krishna Tombi Singh ki supervision makhada OC CDOIE second OC Irilbung Police Station RLSI Nula amadi CDOIE gi apunba team nani thibu humba aduda mafam adugi mioi chamga kungani thoi gi verification chathaki loinana saktak che utpangam daba mioi tarani thoi fagatuna makhata ba wahang pahang chathanana ba Irilbung Police Station na pukre hairi Republic Day celebration gi checkson thaurang lokhat po oina ngasi District Police Thoubal na wangkhem mayai laikai da yumthong khuding changduna thibo humba gi thabak chathakre thibo humba gi thabak adu ngasi ayuk pung 5 dagi na pung 8 fauba Thoubal CDO Yaripok Police Station amadi wangkhem Police Station personnel singna chathakibani maduda mioi 380 gi verification tawki Non-Manipuri manba nupa ama ngarang ahing kay sampat lay mazam laikay gi lambi mapalda gyan manglaga taduna layrambadagi Imphal Police Station gi kangbu amana rims ta pukhatlaba matungda laikanaba ngamdana ngasi ayuk angan bada laikhidraba misak asi fit 5 inchi taruk wangi kulay kuchuni masa pai loinana higok machugi track shirt amadi ut machugi track pant ama setlami kanagumbana imung manunggi miyoy sing mangkiba yauragadi rims ki mokta laktuna masak maming khangdokpa yagani haina Imphal Police Station gi officer in charge na khangalakli Chandel District ki manung hanjin ba mafamda free medical camp ma pangthokre camp adu kungani pan sector sajik battalion na sinduna pangthokibani camp adu da angang yauna punna miyoi marfutara ni pan layeng ki amadi hidaksu lemna yen thokhi Hawjik sanabagi pau Hawjik chathariba Indian Super League ISL 2019-2020 gi ngasi sanagadaba league match ta ATK amadi Goa FC anina lamba taunaragani hairiba match asi ngasi numidang pung 8 makhai taba matamda Kolkata gi Salt Lake Stadium da sanagani league asigi ngarang sanakiba league match ta Mumbai City na Bengaluru FC bu Panjil ani sunoda maithiba pikre Mumbai ki football arena da sanakiba match adu da Mumbai City ki Panjil adu Madau Sogou amadi Emin Chemitina anina minute 19 amadi 59 suba matamda chankibani Arabida bulletin sigi headlines amukahna miyamda thamzari Police Constable lobada wato kaya laikhaba Congress kumba political party amana IRB lobagi matangda corruption thingnaba BJP da takhaningi haina Chief Minister N Birena pungdokre Amasung Airport Authority of India Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences New Delhi amadi Regional Institute of Medical Science in Phalapuna kusam naduna chayola machukna chathagadaba hepatitis awareness week amanga sidagi